Ever wonder how to turn your social media following into a money-making machine? Well, the answer might be simpler than you think, and it's all thanks to something called the Amazon Influencer Program. First, let's clear up what this program is all about. The Amazon Influencer Program is an extension of Amazon's affiliate program, designed specifically for social media influencers. It allows influencers to earn commissions by promoting products and directing their followers to Amazon. So, how does it work? It's a four-step process. Step 1. Qualify. Amazon doesn't just accept anyone into their influencer program. They look for influencers who have a large following, high engagement rates, and content that aligns with Amazon's brand. This doesn't mean you need millions of followers, but you do need a strong, dedicated audience. Step 2. Apply. Once you have a solid follower base, head over to the Amazon Influencer Program page and hit the Apply button. You'll be asked to connect your social media accounts so Amazon can evaluate your eligibility. Step 3. Create. If Amazon approves your application, congratulations. You can now create your own personalized storefront. This is where you'll curate the products you want to promote to your followers. Think of it as your own personal Amazon page, filled with items you love and recommend. Step 4. Promote. Now comes the fun part. Share your personalized storefront link on your social media platforms, in your posts, stories, or bio. When your followers buy products through your link, you earn a commission. It's as simple as that. Now, you might be wondering, how much money can you actually make? Well, it really depends on your audience size, engagement rate, and the products you choose to promote. Some influencers make a few $100s a month, while others make thousands. Remember, the key to success in the Amazon Influencer Program is authenticity. Promote products you genuinely love and use. If your followers trust your recommendations, they're more likely to make a purchase, which means more commission for you. So, there you have it, the Amazon Influencer Program in a nutshell. It's a fantastic way to monetize your influence and make money doing what you love. So why not give it a shot? Head over to the Amazon Influencer Program page, hit that apply button, and start your journey to becoming a successful Amazon influencer. You've got the power to turn your influence into income. Don't waste it. After all, the only thing standing between you and potential earnings is a simple application. So go ahead, apply today and make 2024 the year you started making money online.